I'd have to be quite significantly under, so I was just calling to see if your seller is interested in a lower cash offer or if it's just like a straight no on that.
So what's your offer?
Okay, yeah, it's like 45, 50. Yeah, it's quite a bit under. Hello, is this Jin Yang?
Yes.
Hello, yeah, I was just looking at your deal or your property on 1143, yeah, Hazel Park. Yeah, anything you can tell me about this property, or is it all pretty much listed in the...
Yeah, it's pretty much listed on the listing. So the seller, so they bought it end of last year, and planning to just do the rehab and and hold and rent it out and do the refinance. But she just changed her plan, so just want to get rid of it.
Okay, yeah, that's good. I see you after the comps ran, you came out at 160, which is the same number that I came out at. So
yeah,
just calling because it's a bit of a long shot, but I know that this needs a decent amount of work done on it, and
yes.
So because of that, I'd have to be quite significantly under. So I was just calling to see if your seller is interested in a lower cash offer or if it's just like a straight no on that.
So we do have a couple of offers, 3 exactly. So what's your offer?
Okay, yeah, it's like 45, 50. Yeah.
Maniacal laugh. Maniacal laugh. Maniacal laugh.
It's quite a bit under. Where are your other offers at?
We have a 90.
Okay.
And also
Cash?
Yeah, 90 and 87,500 cash, and also the 9. That's a private no offer.
Okay.
So it's like a hard money.
Okay. Are they investors or are they just...
Yeah, they're all investors.
Okay.
Why are they paying that?
Why are they paying that much?
I would think that they probably have a team who can, do the work with, less cost. That's my thought.
Yeah, I'm just curious if it's worth 160 on the back end. I'm wondering why they would pay 90 when it needs, 60, 70 in work. It needs a roof, windows, siding, all inside, needs like totally redone. Or do you think they're going to keep it as a rental, or what do you think they're doing?
I'm not sure. They might be able to just sell it because me myself, I have 8 in Hazel Park.
8 properties?
Yeah, and they're all rented out.
Uh-huh.
So I always do, buy and hold using the BRRRR.
Right.
So one of the property that I have is with similar square footage, but it's a bungalow.
Are you the owner?
This one, no.
Oh, okay. Because I looked up this owner and it looks like they own 15, 16 properties. They own a bunch of properties in Hazel Park too. So, and they just bought this in November. So you said they were going to rehab it and then decided not to?
Yes, because I don't know whether you can see the photos previously. That one, it's it's not demoed. So this, too much work for her. So she just quit.
I see.
Okay.
But you're saying right now as it sits, you've got some cash buyers offering in the 80s, even one at 90.
Yeah. So one 87,500 and another one is 90. And so I also have a 92,500.
Okay. And why aren't you taking that?
We'll probably take it.
Oh, okay.
the
Yeah.
highest, yes.
I mean, man, if you got a 92, I don't know why you wouldn't take that and run. I mean, that's a crazy.
But,
I don't even understand how someone could pay that.
So I don't know.
The only thing I can make sense of would be they're going to hold it because you cannot pay 90, spend money on a renovation and sell it for 160 and make money. Like you would lose money doing that.
Yeah.
But we do buy all over Oakland, Macomb, and so if you get any distressed properties, we're cash. We can close quick. We're a great buyer. We've been buying there a while and always looking for another deal.
You have a team here?
Yeah, yep. We have a team set up there. We have contractors and agent and everything. Yeah, cool. We're all set up. Do you have anything else that might be a good flip?
Not right now.
Okay.
Because you see the one that's 77. That's what is totally demoed.
Which one? Is that also in Hazel Park?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I saw that one on Milton.
Yeah, Milton. Yes.
Yeah, we were just looking at that one. Yeah, but that's a 2-bedroom.
Yeah. So you can probably try to, make a lower offer to see if it will take it.
Yeah, I mean, it's 750 square feet. We were just looking at that one.
Yeah, so for the 2-bedroom, normally after the flip, you will probably be able to sell it for maybe 140 to 145. Yeah.
140, 145. I mean, it's on a crawl. It does have a garage. So you're saying a 2-bedroom flip will retail at 140, 145.
With a garage, at least.
Yeah, with a garage. If you can get 140, 145, yeah, that one might be a little closer. Can you save this number and let us know next time you get something that might be a good flip?
Sure.
All right, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right.
Okay, bye.
All right. Okay.
So one thing I'm thinking here, when you're looking at Hazel Park or anywhere over there, Madison Heights, they're going to all be buy and hold guys that buy those.
Why do they buy and hold there?
They just keep them for rentals. And so
Even
we're looking at spending 60 grand, 70 grand to flip that thing. A buy and hold investor is going to spend 20.
And they just barely fix it up and
Yeah, they just do the bare minimum, probably don't do the roof, don't do the windows, don't do the siding, put a basic cheap kitchen in there, throw some vinyl flooring down and call it a day. You know what I mean? Paint it and done.
Jeez.
Because a renter, you don't want to spend a lot of money on a rental where the renters are just going to destroy it anyway, right? Mm-hmm. Now, what that means is it means stop looking at Hazel Park for a flip and start looking at it for a buy and hold, meaning you'll still wholesale, but you're going to wholesale to a landlord. So then instead of budgeting 65, budget 25, and instead of making an offer at 45, you might be able to pay, well, we know the numbers.
Yeah.
So he told us 80s up to 90 is what a buy and hold guy's paying for that house, which means if we got it for 70, 75, you got a 10, 15K wholesale. See the difference? Mm-hmm. So you just got to think about.
Put in the numbers as 20 for the rehab. 92 is what.
You're right there. There you go.
Right there.
Yeah, you're right there. So, well, that's using 160 as an ARV. So when you wholesale to a landlord, you don't look at ARV so much. You just look at rent, because they're not looking at ARV. They're looking at what's my cash flow. Mm-hmm. So it's a sort of different analysis. But when they give you feedback like that, that's so valuable, because he just told us 3 offers. He said like 88, 90, 92. Okay, 90 grand is what a buy and hold's paying.
I know, I was shocked when they said that.
Yeah, me too, because we're thinking flip, not buy and hold.
Yeah.
So now we know that on a 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom on a crawl with a garage that's hammered, right now in Hazel Park, buy and hold guys are paying 90, which means if you get something for 75, you got a 15K wholesale.
Yeah. Okay.
So when you wholesale, you're always thinking about what are the buyers doing, less my wholesale fee is my offer price. So we tend to overcomplicate wholesaling, and we look at formulas and ARV 70%, less repairs, less wholesale fee. That's fine, but there's a way faster way to get to your number. What is everybody paying? Less of 10, 15 grand, 20 grand, whatever you want to make, is your new buy price.
Okay.
And how do you get to those numbers? Well, you just talk to enough people. If we talk to agents, if you're talking to these agents every single day and you're getting the same feedback, like you're missing the boat but you're finding out what the numbers are, that's how you readjust. Mm-hmm. Otherwise, you're just going to keep making offers at 45 and you're just never going to get a deal. Not that there aren't deals, it's you're just not understanding the market.
Yeah.
It's all about understanding the market. And Hazel Park, Michigan is a tiny little, it's like a 4 mile or whatever. It goes from 8 mile up to 10 or whatever, and it goes 2 streets over this way. It's a tiny little market north of Detroit. But it's a hot rental market. Everybody likes Hazel Park. They'll flip. You can flip there like crazy, but when something comes on market, you're now competing with all these buy and hold guys because they love to pick those things up and keep them. This is the big thing about on market. If you just do it every single day, again and again and again, if you have 5 quality conversations like we just had every single day, it's only a matter of time before you start getting a lot of traction. So I was texting with Jared Hetler. He's in his, young guy in his 20s. Mm-hmm. And he told me that, I shared this with Truman. He just texted me a day or 2 ago and he said, Jerry, I'm at my 1 year and 10 month mark since I did my first deal. And I'm about to hit 500,000 in total assignments in less than 2 years. All on market, all agents. Jeez. But guess what he does? Every day he's calling agents, every single day. And not only is he calling agents on listings like this one, but he'll call that agent back in a week and be like, hey, remember me? We talked about your listing over on Madge. Remember me? Do you got anything do you got anything right now? Do you got anything this week? Do you got anything this week? Imagine calling that guy every single week saying, hey, you got anything? I'm looking for a deal. Hey, you got anything? I'm looking for a deal. You're going to catch him where he's like, dude, I just met a seller who wants to dump his property. He'll take cash. Let's line up a deal. It's all timing now.
Yeah.
You
Gotta
know,
get a bunch of agents.
The stars align when you're just in the game. When you're on the sidelines, there's no deals. When you're in the game, deals happen.
Yep.